how to trade a hammer formation, and how to trade resistance and support. Let's trade stocks today, and you will see how we open a buy position. We are on eBay stocks, on an hourly chart. We have opened a buy position immediately after closing the candle. This candle is a signal for us because it forms the Japanese hammer formation. I have a downtrend, then we have a hammer formation. This is exactly what gives us a trading signal. But apart from this formation, we have a broken level. After the break, the price came back and tested the level. This is another signal to open a buy position. In trading we need to use as many things as possible in our direction. As always, we put the stop level a little below the previous bottom.Use stop level as well as take profit. Let's look a little later at how our buying position on stocks has developed. The price has jumped and hit our take profit. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also share the video with your friends. Hit one like, and if you have any questions you can share them in the comments.